Program managers have access to specific features under the My Professional Development section of the Care About Childcare website. Information about the program manager's access to their individual My Profile and My Profile Development sections are covered in separate tutorial videos. Under My Programs, you can pay for courses for your employees and view your employees' professional development information. A new feature of the website is that each program will have their own course cart and will have the ability to pay for staff members' courses. In order for courses to appear in your program's course cart, your staff must add courses to their individual course carts, select that their program will pay, and register for the course. You can then go into the program course cart and approve or deny courses that your staff have noted that your program will be paying for. You can approve the course and complete their registration. Once you approve a course, you can pay for the course with a voucher or with a credit card through GovPay. You can also view past courses that the program has paid for by clicking on the Program Registration History link in the upper right corner of the course cart page. You can view your staff's information and select the primary owner and director and their contact information. You can also view all of the youth and early learning professionals working in your program. The list of staff comes from Child Care Licensing. Click on an employee's name to get information about the employee's professional development. Changes to staff roles need to be made in the Child Care Licensing portal. You can view information about each employee's professional development by clicking on their name. View an employee's transcript as well as their degrees and credentials by clicking on the transcript icon. Access information about your employees' career ladder levels and the courses and credentials that they have earned to qualify for each level. Finally, you can view employees' course schedules to view upcoming classes your staff members are registered for through the Care About Childcare website. Please reach out to the Office of Child Care or your local Care About Childcare with any questions.